What is hedonic adjustment in price indexes? Have you ever wondered how economists measure price changes while accounting for improvements in product quality? This is where hedonic adjustment comes into play. Hedonic adjustment is a method used in price indexes to distinguish between price changes due to inflation and those due to enhancements in product features. When products evolve, like smartphones with faster processors or televisions with larger screens, their prices often rise. However, this increase does not solely reflect inflation. It also indicates better quality or added features. Hedonic adjustment aims to isolate these quality improvements so that inflation statistics accurately representing price changes for a product with consistent quality. The process involves breaking down a product into its key characteristics. For example, with a television, you might look at screen size, resolution, and smart features. Each of these characteristics contributes to the overall price. To determine how much each feature affects the price, statisticians use a technique called hedonic regression. This statistical method analyzes data on prices and product features to assign a value to each characteristic. Let's consider a practical example. Imagine a new television that costs 10% more than last year's model. If this new model has a 20% larger screen and additional features, hedonic adjustment helps estimate how much of that price increase is due to these improvements. After accounting for quality enhancements, the inflation rate is calculated based on the adjusted price change. Hedonic adjustment is particularly important in fast-paced industries like technology. In sectors such as computers, smartphones, and automobiles, frequent improvements can significantly influence prices. Without hedonic adjustment, inflation measures could be skewed upward, mistakenly counting price increases driven by quality enhancements as inflation. Statistical agencies apply hedonic adjustment selectively. They focus on products where quality changes are significant and measurable. For instance, the Bureau of Labor Statistics applies hedonic methods to approximately 7.5% of the goods in the Consumer Price Index. This includes categories like electronics and apparel. By doing so, they maintain accurate inflation measurements by differentiating between pure price changes and those related to quality. In summary, hedonic adjustment plays a vital role in inflation measurement. It ensures that price indexes reflected true changes in the cost of living, rather than just improvements in product quality. Understanding this method helps clarify how we perceive price changes in our everyday lives.